Larvivorous fishes and public health, common enemies and symptoms, etiology and treatment of diseases of food fishes. Fish culture in paddy fields and reservoir. Integrated fish farming with prawn, pig, duck, and poultry. Larvivorous fishes and public health. Larvivorous fishes are species that feed on the larvae of mosquitoes and play a significant role in public health by reducing the spread of mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue, and filariasis. Their introduction in ponds, wells, and other water bodies helps control the vector population biologically, without chemical pesticides. Important larvivorous fishes. Gambusia affinis, mosquito fish. Poecilia reticulata, guppy. Aplocheilus panchax. Arisias latipes, medaka. Mechanism. These fishes consume mosquito larvae and pupae as part of their diet, especially in stagnant water bodies where mosquitoes breed. Applications in public health. Stocking larvivorous fishes in drinking water tanks, drains, and community ponds. Used in national malaria eradication programs. Common enemies and symptoms, etiology and treatment of diseases of food fishes. Fish and aquaculture systems are exposed to various biological enemies and pathogens that can affect their health and productivity. Common enemies. Predatory fishes, Channa notopterus. Birds, kingfisher, heron. Aquatic insects and snails. Frogs and snakes. Symptoms of fish diseases. Lethargy. Gasping at surface, loss of appetite, abnormal swimming, fin rot, ulcers, discoloration, excessive mucus secretion, protruding scales, eye clouding. Etiology causes. Bacterial diseases, Aromaniasis, calamaris. Fungal diseases, saprolegniasis. Viral diseases, spring viremia of carp, koi herpes virus. Parasitic diseases, ichthyophthyriasis, itch, argilosis, myxosporidiasis. Environmental stress, poor water quality, overcrowding, low dissolved oxygen. Treatment. Bacterial. Use of antibiotics like oxytetracycline under veterinary supervision. Salt bath. Fungal. Potassium permanganate treatment. Malachite green, regulated use. Parasitic. Formalin bath, salt dip, methylene blue. Preventive measures. Prophylactic treatment, regular monitoring, good water quality, proper quarantine of new stock. Fish culture in paddy fields and reservoirs. Fish culture in paddy fields and reservoirs is a form of integrated farming that utilizes the same land/water resources for dual production. Paddy cum fish culture. Species used, rohu, common carp, tilapia. Trenches or refuge ponds are dug in paddy fields for fish survival. Benefits. Biological pest control in paddy. Increased income, efficient land use. Reservoir fisheries. Types, small, medium, and large reservoirs. Species stocked, catla, rohu, mrygal, silver carp, grass carp, tilapia. Stocking density based on productivity. 100 to 500 fingerlings/ha/year. Management. Cage culture, pen culture, use of fish aggregating devices, fads. Challenges. Poaching, water level fluctuation, seed availability. Integrated fish farming with prawn, pig, duck, and poultry. Integrated fish farming is a sustainable aquaculture practice where fish culture is combined with livestock or poultry to utilize resources efficiently and enhance income. Fish-prawn integration. Prawns like Macrobrachium rosenbergii cultured with carps. Stocking density adjusted to reduce competition. Prawns utilize bottom niches. Fish use other zones. Requires specific feeding and shelter provisions. Fish-pig integration. Pig manure serves as organic fertilizer in ponds. One pig can support fertilization of 0.1 hectares pond. Reduced feed cost. Enhanced plankton growth. Care to avoid excessive organic loading. Fish-duck integration. Ducks help in aeration, eat aquatic weeds, and droppings fertilize the pond. Khaki Campbell and Indian Runner are preferred breeds. 200 to 300 ducks/a pond. Shed built on pond bund. Fish-poultry integration. Poultry droppings enhance pond fertility. Shed constructed above or beside pond. Chicken waste promotes plankton growth. 500 to 1,000 birds/ha depending on system design. Benefits of integration. Enhanced resource use efficiency. Additional income from livestock/poultry. Reduced input costs, feed and fertilizer. Conclusion. A comprehensive understanding of fish health management, environmental integration, and public health connections is essential for modern aquaculture. From controlling disease vectors with larvivorous fishes to integrating fish culture with paddy and livestock, these practices exemplify sustainable, productive, and economically viable fishery models.